Hi guys, and welcome to Prosys OPC's YouTube channel. It's me, Ivo, and in this video we will configure data exchange between two OPC UA servers using Forge's data exchange module. In this demo, we are going to do the exchange between our public simulation server, which is called UA demo. I have already connected my Forge to this server with the basic OPC UA server connection in data sources. We are going to exchange the data from UA demo to my local simulation server. To start configuring the data exchange, we first need to start up this exchange module right here from the dashboard view. And then we are going to get the new module up here in the main navigation bar. This is data exchange, and I'm going to navigate there. And we start the configuration by creating a new data exchange group, which defines the parameters and the settings for this exchange. I'm going to use these default values and press add. And then we just need to add the items. So here I can select now this source node, which will be from the UA demo. So I'm going to navigate to this UA demo server, and I'm going to select this sawtooth simulation variable. I press add, and then I need to select the target node, which will be from this local simulation server. So I'm going to navigate there. I'm going to select a static variable, and I'm going to use this double analog item. And I press add, and then this configuration is ready. I can press add, and now we have one pair configured. So we write the data from sawtooth to this double analog item. We could also do this configuration straight from this address space view. So we first need to navigate to the source node. So we go to UA demo simulation, and we are going to select this sinusoid, for example. I right click on it and I find this data exchange option here, and then from the right column I will select this target node, which will be from the simulation server. And again, we go to static data folder, analog items, and I'm going to write this sinusoid data to float analog item. And I press save and close, and this other data exchange configuration appears here. Next, I'm just going to show you that this data is exchanged. So I go to simulation server, static data, analog items, and then I'm going to select these two for monitoring. And yeah, I see that those are changing according to the nodes from UA demo, which can be found from here. And it was this sinusoid and sawtooth from here too. So let's see. Yep. In this video, we learned how to exchange data between two OPC UA servers using Forge's data exchange module. We set up a data exchange group and added two variable pairs to the data exchange. I hope you enjoyed this video. In our next episode, we will apply these skills we learned today to configure Modbus communication in Forge. Keep tuned. Thanks for checking out Forge with us. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more content. We would love to hear your feedback, so drop us a comment below or reach out using the info in the description box. Until next time.